Hi, Assalamualaikum. With me again, Teacher Aisha. So today we are going to play with cylinder block building. So stay tuned to know how to play. So let's go. Okay, now we are going to play the cylinder block building. So the first one is parents need to introduce to the child the size, the length of the cylinders, okay? So introduce, they have a different size, hands on, bagi dia masuk dalam lubang ni ke jari dia, and rasa. And last one, hands on, put together, okay? And make sure they are using tripod grabs ataupun tripod pinch to put in, okay? Alright, so lepas dah ajar semua, let's them do by themselves and redo. Okay, so good luck. Bye. Now we are going to talk about the benefit from playing these toys. Okay, the first one is to improve eye coordination, di mana mereka lebih cenderung untuk menggunakan tangan dan mata untuk menyesuaikan cylinder according to the places. Okay, so the second one is to improve pincher's grips. Okay, di mana mereka lebih menggunakan jari untuk memegang. Okay, memegang cylinder dan masukkan ke tempat yang sesuai. Okay, the last one is to teach to visualize, discriminate between dimension. As we know that these toys have a different sizes and also different length. So di sini mereka akan belajar untuk menyesuaikan based on length of the cylinders and also the size of the pieces. Okay, so that is a best benefit from playing cylinder blocks buildings. Okay, umur yang sesuai untuk bermain dengan cylinder block building is 3 years old and above. Jadi parents boleh try this at home and good luck. Bye!